Can you hear this engine? Hear that? Here's the turbo. It sounds like a turbo diesel, like 4-cylinder. This is a V6, 3.5. And it don't sound like a V6 after all. Here's why. Automatic, but the person is shifting in manual. I understand that. This is the issue with it. See? Pretty good model, but the sound is off. Pretty well detailed. See that one? So what this is, a V6, Tacoma, V6. It's turbo diesel. Yep, is it off? Yeah. You see that part? I'll show you again. It's a turbo diesel. Yeah, 4-cylinder. See that? Oh, my bad. I forgot. Pretty well detailed, but Forza screwed up on the sounds again. Because you remember, if you look at Forza, like where Forza originally is at, they're in like Europe. And I think this is from X-Class sound, because in Europe, they don't even have the Tundra or the Tacoma. But the Tundra sound like a V8. I'll give it an agate. Here it is. Right there. I'll show you 3,000 RPMs. Here's the turbo. Hear that sound? Yeah. That's why I'm not combining new Forza game. Pretty well modeled, pretty well detailed, except the sound's off. It should have said Tacoma turbo diesel. Yeah. Here is a 2-liter turbo diesel from X-Class. A idle comparison. Here's proof of this 2.2-liter turbo diesel from the X-Class. A Revving comparison. Can you hear this? Idling sound comparison.